We are glad that you're interested in the JA Canada online programs, where students can focus on entrepreneurship, work readiness, and financial literacy. This video will show you the step-by-step process on how to access and take part in our online programs. The first step is to visit our website at jacampus.org, which will take you to a place where you can access the program library. The next step is to click on the program library icon and then click on self-directed courses. Here you'll find all our online program options. We will select $0.08 online for this demonstration. This will take you to our online learning platform where you will create a login. If you already have an account, you can sign in here. If this is your first time, we will walk you through the process of creating a new account. Click on Create New Account. This will take you to our privacy policy page. Please read the privacy policy carefully and then click Next. Now you'll be brought to an 8-statement page where it says if you're under 13, only a parent or a guardian can sign you up for these programs. However, if you're older than 13, you can sign up on your own. Click Next and this will take you to our consent form where you'll have to accept the terms and conditions as well as the 8th statement in order to continue. Next, you'll be brought to a page where you'll provide all the information for your new account. Please fill in the information with the red exclamation mark. The website won't let you continue if you don't fill out all the boxes. Please select the charter that is closest to where you live in the charter dropbox. Next, you will click Register, where you'll be sent an email with your confirmation. Head to your inbox and click the link that we have sent you to confirm your account. Clicking the link will bring you onto this page. Click Continue and whenever you're ready, click Enroll to begin a program. This is your program homepage. You can see all of our supportive sponsors right here. These are all the program options that you can work through module by module at your own pace. And don't forget to print your certificate of completion as well as enroll in any of our other JA programs. Good luck, and we hope you or your student will enjoy the learning journey with JA Canada. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, email us at info@jacanada.org.